climb inside the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this truck lines up eagerly against competing models, delivering the perfect blend of power, safety, and flair. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a built-in garage door transmitter, a rear step bumper, skid plates, and air conditioning. Power-adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Chevrolet's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.